Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have another Jordan 1 right here. But what am I gonna say? Welcome back guys to another video and let's get unboxing. Hey guys, welcome. This is Aldridge here and today we are unboxing. Hey guys, this is Aldridge here and today we are giving a deeper and closer look. What? Hey guys, this is Aldridge here and today we are diving deep into the Hyper Royals. We're gonna take a closer look. But before that, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and let's get on to the video. So for the hype of this year, all UNC colors, all blue colored Jordans, the Jordan 4 University Blue, this Jordan 1 Hyper Royal, and the Jordan 1 University Blue as well. And of course, some more University Blue colorways like the Dunks and some other pairs that I don't remember. But for this Hyper Royal 1, once we have it on hand, we can immediately feel the difference in material from the University Blue. So let's start off with the white panels. All the white panels on the toe box, on the mid portion here, and even on the medial side are all made of leather. And also, the swoosh, this gray swoosh is also made of leather. But as for the uppers, we can feel a suede or nubuck. No, we feel a suede material, a soft leather material on the uppers, and it's really soft. Now, for the highlight of the sneaker, this denim Hyper Royal color. Now, everything on the heel tab, this on the back of this Air Jordan Wings logo, on this toe box here, they are all made of a rough suede. It feels like denim, and it probably is, but it looks like suede. I like the colorway, I really love the colorway, but I don't like the materials. I now understand why people are not really liking this too much compared to the University Blues. I like the University Blues because of their material, but I love this colorway. This colorway just looks fantastic. The combination of this blue, this distress blue, and this gray, this smooth gray here, and also the white. It's just an immaculate combination of colors. I don't really like how the tongue tab has a different blue, but I guess it's fine. Speaking of that blue, we have blue extra laces as well, which I don't know why didn't they just give a gray extra lace, which I think would be much fitter. So, on the midsole, we get your typical rubber Air Jordan 1 midsole, and of course your typical Jordan 1 outsole, which is in gray. You have a white Air Jordan Wings logo on the lateral side, and it seems like it's painted. It has a glossy white finish. You get a gray sock liner, but you get a white insole with the same blue as the tongue and the extra laces on the Nike Air logo inside on top of the insole. You get white laces as your stock laces, and I don't think anyone's gonna change that. I mean, it looks really cool with white laces. The blue laces, I'm not really sure, but I think the blue, that shade of blue, is just overpowering for this sneaker specifically. If you guys have seen the University Blue Jordan 1s and this Hyper Royal Jordan 1s, which one do you like? Is it this one, this distressed denim look, or is it the smooth suede material on the Jordan 1 University Blues? That's it for this Jordan 1 Hyper Royal, and if you guys enjoyed that video, go hit that like button. Comment down below which one's your favorite. Is it the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal or the Jordan 1 University Blue, which is not this one, because this is also the Hyper Royals? And comment down below which is your favorite Jordan 1 ever. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys had a blessed day. See you guys next time. God bless.